For centuries, we found ways to hold on to life's most meaningful memories through charcoal sketches, oil paintings, black and white portraits, and modern photographs. We've framed our milestones, filled albums with family photos, and captured every selfie worth remembering. Now, a new chapter begins. You in 3D Figurines are bringing photo preservation into the future, using cutting-edge 3D scanning and full-color printing to turn your favorite moments into lifelike 3D figurines. Whether it's a wedding, graduation, birthday, baby bump, your child's first steps, or even your pet, we help you preserve the moments that matter. Here's how it works. Visit your nearest You in 3D store. Come photo ready. Dress in your favorite outfit, add props if you'd like, and get ready to strike your best pose. Step into our 3D scanner, where 90 HD cameras will capture your image from every angle in just seconds. From there, our team creates a detailed digital model and produces your one-of-a-kind 3D figurine, ready for collection in 2 to 3 weeks. Visit You in 3D Figurines and see your favorite moment brought to life in 3D.